Hello folks, Easy Rider here. Welcome to my next video. Today I'm going to do a quick tips and tricks on how to put a SW Motek pannier rack on a Honda CB500X 2022. Kind of fill in some of the gaps that the Motek video doesn't tell you. So you may want to watch this before you waste a whole lot of time trying to put these racks on. Stay with me. And welcome back. Again, this isn't a how-to hands-on video. SW Motek supplies that. Just go to their website. What I want to do is turn the camera around and kind of tell you some of the pitfalls and the stuff they didn't tell you on their video. Save you a whole lot of time and headache. So let me turn the camera around. Okie doke, and there they are all installed. First thing to know when you buy these pannier racks for the CB500X is they don't come with any instructions. You're on your own. I looked on the website. There's no PDF download or anything. There's nothing. They just have their video, which is okay, but they don't kind of tell you some of the things you really need to know. So that's what I'm going to tell you on this video right here. First off, you put in these brackets right here. No, yeah, while we're looking at that, you lose the ability to have your handrails. What they don't tell you, which I wish I knew, is the handrails that they would supply would go on the back rack, which of course I didn't buy yet. So I'm going to have to buy the back rack to get the handrails back. I had no idea that I lost the handrails. And because I don't have the handrail back rack set up, these bolts right here are way too long, and get a close-up here. I had to put a whole bunch of washers on them, because if not, they'd hit the bodywork, and that's no bueno. So I had to go to the store and buy a bunch of washers. I had a couple hanging around, so I stole the ones off of these. And yeah, they don't even tell you to put washers on these. So this right here, they're just going to give you a bunch of bolts. This is an M8 125 bolt. These are the shorter ones. These are the longer ones. So I just guessed at that when I put them together. They're not real specific on which bolts you need. And then also another thing I don't think he mentioned on the video, had these extra little spacers, which I thought were extra till I tried to tighten this guy down. And yeah, the spacer goes right there. There's two spacers, one on that side, one on the other. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward. This bar just connects on the foot peg doohickey. And then these connect to the rack, blah, blah, and then there's a crossbar in the back. Not all that hard to do. It was mostly since there was no written instructions, it was me just friggin' guessing it. And like I said, there's even that one with 4 washers on it still is damn close. I didn't tighten it totally because I'm afraid it'll hit it. Went to the Home Depot. Of course, they didn't have shorter bolts, so I bought, more washers. But anyway. And then this little heat shield down here, that's only put on by this one bolt right here. That's the only thing that's holding this whole heat shield down, but it's pretty solid. Hopefully it don't go anywhere. Starts rattling, you'll know it real fast. Anyway, yeah, like I said, you're gonna lose your handrails, so you might want to buy the back rack when you're buying this. And other than that, they're good, solid pannier racks. No fault there, and they're in pretty decent quality. I kind of like them. Anyway, so hopefully this video helps. Like I said, just wanted a quick video to kind of tell you some stuff to look for so you don't waste all your time. These front screws are smaller, so they're pretty easy to figure out. But anyway, yeah, these are the smaller bolts and these are the longer bolts over here. Anyway, you got any questions, concerns, pop it into the comments below, and I hope this helps you guys out.